Explained. How to operate the slide clasp. Tutorial. Welcome to the Fortis workshop. In this short video, we will show you how the slide clasp works. For a start, open the slide clasp on your block bracelet. Locate the small push button inside. Keep it pressed to pull out the up to 8 mm. Now you can adjust the slide clasp perfectly to your wrist, click by click. Tip: you can also do this directly on the wrist. Do you also have a technical question? Just write in the comments. For more tutorials and exciting stories, subscribe to our channel.